Hello and welcome to Jardin du Mayfair. Today I have a very special guest here. It's Rob Korzinek from Zing Insurance. Guys, just a quick note to please hit that subscribe button. My tech team informed me that up to 75% of you aren't subscribed yet, so please click subscribe and I'll keep this content coming fresh and hot every week. Rob is the CEO and founder of Zing Insurance, who we are collaborating with here at Official Watches. They are shaking up the insurance market and doing some really exciting things. So let's have a chat with Rob and find out a bit about Zing Insurance and what it can do for you guys at home. Rob, welcome.
Hi, Oscar.
Thank you so much for joining us here in Jardin du Mayfair.
Very good to be here.
So me and Rob have actually met before. Rob is doing some amazing things with insurance, and we're going to find out all about that in today's episode. So, Rob, if you don't mind, we'll dive straight in.
Yeah.
And we'll ask you, why did you found Zing?
Well, Zing is a collective of watch enthusiasts, insurance specialists, technology specialists, and we felt that the insurance industry was not serving watch collectors very well, and wasn't serving businesses that work in the watch industry very well. So we created Zing to be completely rooted in the watch market amongst collectors with watch businesses to provide really specialist insurance without all that hassle that normally surrounds it.
Yes, so one of the things that I wanted to share, so I've been using this tablet in store. So one of the coolest things about Zing is that you can actually leave the store fully insured. Please correct me if I'm wrong on any of this, but the coolest thing about it that I've seen on my side is that customer can come in, you can buy a watch, and you can actually leave fully insured by putting all your details through on the iPad. You generate the quote for the watch, anything up to £75,000 in store, but you can go higher. And I think it's very special because my experience on insurance before I actually worked in watches was it was an extremely slow and long process. So you guys have done something very, very special there, and I'm really proud to be a partner. So the next question is, why did you partner with Official Watches?
So another interesting thing about Zing is we only take our customers from watch businesses who are experts, who are leaders in the market. We want to work with them with their expertise and their data to better serve the customers who become customers of ours as well as theirs. And you know, we're really proud and excited to be working with Official Watches to plug into all of your expertise and better serve your customers with Zing Insurance.
Thank you so much. Okay, Rob, so what makes Zing different to traditional or household insurance?
Well, we like to think we're a lot different to household insurance. So I guess, you know, you've already touched upon the ease of getting covered with Zing. I mean, let's face it, if you've just bought your cool new watch, what you don't want to be doing is rifling around to find your policy documents for your broker and trying to make sure whether your watch is insured. So, as you said, in store, people can get insured instantly before they leave the store with the iPad. If they're shopping online, they can add it to their checkout basket. You know, people can even WhatsApp us with their Official Watches invoice, and we'll make sure that we add that watch to their cover. They can keep adding as many watches as they like to their Zing account as their collection grows, and indeed take them off as they trade up or trade down. A couple of other things that make us different.
Please.
Because we only work with experts in the field, like Official Watches, that's then going through the whole life cycle of the insurance so that our customers just don't need to worry about it. So when the market moves, we will automatically be getting in touch with our customers and updating their insurance values to make sure they're in the right position if it comes to a claim. And if it does come to a claim, we'd be working with one of our partners like Official Watches to make sure that they're getting the best access to the market, the best expertise to source replacements for those watches.
Fantastic, thank you so much. And how do our joint customers buy Zing?
Well, as I say, there's a range of ways that they can get Zing. The first and most important thing is they have to be a customer of one of our partners, like Official Watches. We're an invite-only insurer. Once that box is ticked, we try and make it as easy as possible. They can get in touch with us at invite@zingcover.com and just reference that they're a customer of Official Watches. They can become a customer or add to their existing cover with the tablet in your store here. They can, as I say, do it through WhatsApp, do it through email, whatever works easiest for them. What's common across all of those is we get them covered immediately.
You see, that is where, for me, it's an absolutely industry-leading thing that Zing are doing here, because not only can you speak to them on WhatsApp, I mean, find me another insurer that you can, not only can you speak to them on WhatsApp, but you can do everything right here in the store, and you can actually leave fully insured, go off, enjoy your lunch, you've just bought a new watch, and you're insured out the door, which is just fantastic.
Yeah, we just try and take the hassle out of specialist insurance. You know, people who buy collectible and luxury watches, you know, that is a passion purchase. They want to make sure it's properly protected. You know, it's different to their sofa or their TV that's protected under their household insurance. But what we don't think is that specialist insurance should be difficult to get, or you have to go hunting it out and filling out lots of forms to get it. So we're trying to combine that really specialist cover and service with something that's really easy to get and to manage.
Fantastic, yeah. And as I understand it, it's a privilege to be insured with Zing, because you guys don't just take any business from anywhere.
Correct, yeah. So another distinguishing feature of Zing is, you know, we are proudly an invite-only insurer. We want to work with market-leading businesses in the watch market who work with serious collectors and buyers of luxury and collectible watches. So to become a customer of Zing, you have to already be a customer of one of our partner brands, and then we will continue to work with those partners right through the life cycle of the insurance, and if it comes to it, at the point of claim, to make sure you're getting all of that expertise that a serious owner of a serious watch expects.
Yeah, fantastic. Thank you so much. That leads me on to my last and final question, which is, why can't people come directly to you for a policy?
Well, people can't come to us direct for a bunch of reasons. As I just said, you know, we want to work with serious watch collectors who congregate around serious watch market retailers and dealers. And so that's why we work with a select group of brands such as Official Watches to acquire our customers and then to make sure our customers get that kind of service they expect. There's also some nuances to the insurance market. You know, your typical household insurer will judge you on things like your postcode and your profession, or what the rebuild value of your house is.
I've seen that question.
We don't think that is particularly relevant to someone who owns a watch or a collection of watches and wants to protect that asset. Actually, what's much more relevant is their choice of product, their choice of brand, their choice of retailer. So that's what we're focusing on, getting that bit right and making qualitative judgments about our customers, not just lumping them into, well, they live in that postcode.
Fantastic. And I have to say, I was very fortunate enough to be in the first meeting with you when you came to Official Watches, and I was absolutely blown away by the kind of questions that you were asking about us and our business, and I think that this is a very good fit. So yeah, fantastic. Thank you so much for filling us in on Zing Insurance, and you can now get that completely in store. You can leave store fully insured, which I just think is incredible. And thank you, Rob, for joining us here at Jardin du Mayfair. We really appreciate it.
Thank you, Oscar.
Hey, thanks for your time, my friend. Thank you.
Cheers.